guess which one he's gonna buy. If you can guess which one, if you guess which one he bought.
That is cool.
It's also like reminding us to but they.
Hi, we're here. That's the, I can't zoom in on front. That's the bag we got from the factory thing. It was a little tour thing. It wasn't anything like last year. I didn't film much because everything was the same pretty much as last year.
To the festival.
Oh yeah, the kiosk and everything they had for sales at the festival. We're going to Walmart now and to Subway and Walmart because we're hungry. It's 3:05. The festival doesn't start till 4, so after we leave Walmart, we'll probably go there. So yeah, I'm excited. So we were gonna go to the Subway in Walmart, but they didn't have the special thing that we wanted. So we went to a standalone, or not, one in like a little strip mall thing. So you want to wait the festival? She's eating her Subway in the car because I finished mine so fast. Those aren't the scented ones. Hey, so I'm at the festival now with FreshCrafts, and there's some new tapes. We just got interviewed.
Yeah, they made us put tape in our basket, but we didn't want the tapes.
It was fun, I guess.
Did not make the silver one.
It's hard to make stuff without a cutting mat or anything though, so.
Oh, hey, at FreshCrafts, at JWallets.
At JWallets. Oh wait, already here. We just came to the car for a minute to put all my bags. I'm so dumb, I bought so much stuff. It's already 7:30-ish. We're going to go back for like probably 30 minutes or so. There's bug guts all over the smear from the trip. But yeah, we're probably gonna go back for a little while, just walk around and see, and then leave and go to our hotel, which is like 30 minutes away. Oh my gosh, look at this house. There's a house here. How cool would that be to have a house right next to the Duct Tape Festival? We're in our hotel now. It's super nice, like, and it's got the wood tile floor here, and it's night. It's bright for not having a light there. I did a good job, right? I picked the hotel. Oh my gosh, I voted for the pattern of duct tape. Trusty duck next year. It's the thing. Oh my gosh, you might can go to this website and vote. Quack.